time with my honeybees, well, I'm gonna have to start charging you for the pleasure. If I come out one more time and find you lolling out there amongst my hives, I'm grabbing my shotgun. As to your question, yes, my days in beekeeping school are a blur. But I do seem to remember something about that enzyme you keep blabbing on about.
What makes something like me? I look at genes all day long. I've never underestimated the print of sin. I could blame the Germans, but in truth I did not find tormentors in the prison camp, but kindred spirits. These children I brood upon have awoken something inside that for most is beautiful and natural, but to me is an abomination. Maternal instinct.
Children, with their very long needles, their tuneless songs, their ghastly errands, their ghoulish Frankenstein frolics. But we've all placed our hand on the great chain of endeavor. My hand is on it. Fontaine's is on it. We all pull it and are pulled by it. Yes, these children are an abomination. But it is not my hand alone on the chain that created them. No. Their little fingers were right there, next to mine.
Welcome to the Circus of Value! I am good at the... What? Nobody touches me! Nobody!
Welcome to the Circus of Value!
No! 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 You saved me.
Dr. Suchong, frankly, I'm shocked by your proposal. If we were to modify the structure of our commercial plasmid line as you propose, to have them make the user vulnerable to mental suggestion through pheromones, would we not be able to effectively control the actions of the citizens of Rapture? Free will is the cornerstone of this city. Thought of sacrificing it is abhorrent. However, we are indeed in a time of war. If Atlas and his bandits have their way, will they not turn us into slaves? And what will become of free will then? Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Who needs to make it on Broadway?
Make us kill intruders. What?
I send you boiled! Coward!
Just want to
You'll
go
kill
to
me
sleep.
if I don't find you!
walk today, I had my first encounter with a pair of them. He, a Toluca in a foul-smelling diving suit, and she, an unwashed moppet in filthy pink smoke. Her pallor was off, green and morbid. There was a rather unpleasant aspect to her demeanor, as if she were in an altogether different place than the rest of us. I understand the need for such creatures. I just wish they could make them more presentable.
Let someone know. You're jealous!
In 10 years in this dump, I've come to accept a very low standard of life. But even at the bottom of this fish tank, a man must have standards. The pathetic trou de cul down at Morley Winery has started putting water to his terrible wine. Water! When I confronted him with this fact, he tells me, Pierre, this is not to worry. The water, she is distilled. Worse, I could take it right from the ocean.
Adam acts like a flying cancer, destroying native cells and replacing them with unstable stem versions. While this very instability is what gives it its amazing properties, it is also what causes the cosmetic and mental damage. You need more and more Adam just to keep back the tide. From a medical standpoint, this is catastrophic. From a business standpoint, well, funding sees the possibilities. Ryan asks you a simple question. Are you a man or a slave?
Hide from the light down here.
Why do they wear those masks? Maybe there's a part of them that remembers how they used to be, how they used to look. And they're ashamed.
Turned away from your life, all his commandments.
The children must remain functional to be effective producers of atoms. I had hoped to place them into vegetative state so they would be more pliable. I find being around them very uncomfortable. Even with those things implanted in their bellies, they are still children. They play, sing. Sometimes they look at me. They don't stop. Laugh. Smile. Andrew Ryan to control I'm hopping mad. Sorry, but I'm real upset. We came to Rapture to get away from government muscling in on private business people.
Control of anything. The government council just assumes stewardship of funding futuristic.
I'm good enough.
I send you flames! Ayúdame! ¡Ah!
Come here, you.
Do you have all the components for the Remastered yet? If you do, best head to a crafting station. Then, head back to Langford's lab and put the whole witch's brew in the mister. That should clear this fog right up.
Observe all his commandments.
From the sounds of that you invent, I'm guessing you're the proud papa of a brand new Lazarus Vector. Now drop the Vector into a gadget called Central Misting Control. Then we'll come with that.
Where I can
Jesus loves me. This I know. I traded you. His life kind of even down here in the murk. Hold heretic! See! Come on then!